Hello students, today we are going to start class 4 subject GK chapter 14 indoor plants. Babylonian Emperor Nebuchadnezzar was the first to have indoor plants. He built his wife the hanging gardens on Babylon. Plants need warmth to grow. Electricity warms up even the cold houses, which help them to grow indoor plants even in winter. So first is the snake plant. You can see the picture over here. Improves the air quality. It is an inexpensive and low maintenance plant. Keep in the bedroom. It converts carbon dioxide into oxygen at night, and it helps you to sleep peacefully, and we call this plant is snake plant. And now the second picture, you can see it's a plant of pothos. Champion at cleaning the air, removes toxins from the air ground. It takes in the bad and releases the good one. Now the third one is spider plant. NASA tests show that this plant removes around 90% of potentially cancer causing chemical from the air. Now the fourth one, dwarf kaffir lime trees. Fills fragrance into homes in a natural and a chemical free way with a wonderful fresh smell, can be used instead of artificial air fresheners. It's handy for cooking too. Now the fifth one, lavender. In the bedroom, it can induce more sleep. The smell brings peace and restful sleep. So now we will learn about the plants. Now shamrock. It is used to purify the air and it considered to be lucky plant. The plant also has a little bit of magic because it can revive itself from being dead if you forget to water it, or the temperature drop too low, or its living conditions are generally poor. Everything above the surface will wilt and die. As soon as good conditions are restored, the plant comes back to life incredibly quickly. Now we will do the yes or no following. The plants have a medicinal properties. Yes. So right here, yes. Now second, plant give fresh oxygen. Yes. Plants create a lot of stress to our body. No. Their bored living can hurt us by poking us. No. Now come to the fifth, plant lets out toxin. No. Touching plants is not a good form for health. No. Plants grow better only outside. No. The hanging gardens are the first indoor plants. Yes. Indoor plants cannot be cooked. No. Taking care of plants is like taking care of pets. Yes. So question number B, find the names of the 6 plants in the word grid, and this is your homework. You have to find the six plants name in this word grid. Now turn your page. Now come to the 15. Find me. The question, can you find this 7-letter word from the clues given below? So here is the clue. The first is letter 51672. Spell a ringer, a person who is almost identical to other. Okay, first we have to write the answer number A. Is the question, can you find this 7-letter word from the clues given below? Is lexicon, and the spelling is Lexicon, lexicon. Now the first one, letter 51672. To spell a ringer, a person who is almost identical to other, and the answer is clone, CLONE. Now the question number 2, letter 6327. Spell cattle, domesticated bovine animals as a group regardless of sex or age, and the answer is oxen, OXEN. Now the third one, letter 5641. Spell tubbing, that is wood in a spiral, and the answer is coil, OIL. Fourth one, letter 1672. Spell having no companions, love, and the spelling LOVE. Now the question number B, solve this crossword to find the word from the given meaning. So here they have given the crosswords and the downwords. So first we will do the crosswords. So in a crossword, the first is fourth one, and the word is objective, and the meaning of objective is impartial, and we will write the spelling in the fourth one, IMPARTIAL. Now the sixth is dull, is boring. So here we will write the spelling of boring, BORING. Now the is savior, and the meaning is relished, and the spelling we will write in eighth one, RELISH. Now the hastily, and the meaning is swiftly, and the spelling is SWIFTLY. Now 11th is descent, and the meaning is plunge, PLUNGE. Now 12th one is destroy, and the meaning is ruin, RUIN. Now come to the down one, conclude, and the meaning is finish. It's a number 1. So here, sorry, FINISH. Now, and the second one is elaborate, and the mean is clarify. It's on second number, CLARIF. Now And the third one is enthusiastic, and the meaning is eager. Here is the number 3. Here, E A G E R. Now, fifth one is idle, and the meaning is inactive. I N A C T I V E. Now, seventh is accumulate, and the meaning is gather, is on 7th number. GATHER. Now, and the 10th one is slash, and the meaning is slice, SLICE. So children, we have completed the chapter 15 and the chapter number 14. So you have to do this work in your textbook. Thank you.